Hi, today I'm going to introduce you elastic fabric mask making machine. Let's take a look at air shaft fabric unwinding system. To make sure an accurate position, there is a ruler on the axis. Mask earloop is made of elastic fabric, like this. Working under high speed, machine needs centering devices to guide the fabrics move towards to one direction. As the earloop fabric is stretchy, we designed a stress controller to keep it at balanced status before delivered into cutting mechanism. Unlike the other mask machines, this one can produce both adult and child masks. Here is a comparison. Two masks are same in width but different in length. Besides, machine can also make masks with patterns at the center. These designs are come with the fabrics. Machine will detect the color code on the top. The blade system cuts the fabric against the code's position. Let's come back to check what's inside the electric cabinet. There are 7 servo motors and 3 sets ultrasonics. 2 motors to control nose clip mechanism, 3 motors for main body machine, 2 motors for elastic ear loop. The soft ear loop is formed and welded here. Let's see what's a sample like. Machine can work at 200 pieces in maximum speed, and stable speed is 180 pieces per minute.